What's the meaning of Byzantine? Byzantine. Byzantine.
Byzantine. Byzantine. Byzantine refers to something that is excessively complicated or intricate, often involving a great deal of unnecessary detail or convoluted procedures. It can also refer to a system or situation that is characterized by confusion, deception, and intrigue. The result of something being Byzantine is often inefficiency and difficulty in navigating or understanding the system or situation. In some cases, it may also lead to mistrust and suspicion among those involved. Overall, the term Byzantine suggests complexity and confusion, which can have negative consequences for those affected by it.